In our last video, we looked at adding and subtracting rationals in their fractional form, even when they're mixed numbers and they're both positives and negatives. But if you found that extremely comfortable, you're very good at it, there is a second method by which you can do this calculation where you don't have to put them into improper fraction form. Let's have a look at that. So the question again is negative 2 2/3 minus negative 3 1/2. Well, step one's still the same. Consider minus a negative as add a positive. Add the opposite. Step two, however, is also still the same. Change to a common denominator, but this time leave the whole number and fraction parts separate. So the common denominator is still 6, 2/3 is 4/6, and 1/2 is 3/6. From there, think of this as negative 2 add negative 4/6. Remember, this negative is for the entire value. And you're adding that to positive 3 plus 3/6. Now, since this entire operation involves nothing but addition, those brackets that I put in there just to show you that these were two different numbers originally don't really mean anything. We can do this addition in any order we want. Fancy talk, that's called addition being commutative. So I will add the whole number parts first, or the integer wholes first, negative 2 plus 3, and I'll add the fractional parts next. Add negative 4/6, add positive 3/6. What that's going to give me is negative 2 plus 3 making a positive 1, and then negative 4/6 plus 3/6 can be combined over the common denominator, and I now have 1 add negative a sixth. At that point, I can kind of reason that if I take 1/6 away from one whole number, it leaves me with 5/6. If I can't do that in my head, I can always change 1 to a fractional form of 6/6. And either way, we come up with the same answer we did